In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webflow to n8n in a few straightforward steps. If you're ready to streamline your workflow and automate processes between Webflow and other services, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your n8n account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can easily sign up on the n8n website. Once you're logged in, keep an eye out for the plus button on your dashboard. Clicking this will kick off the process of adding Webflow to your workflow. After clicking the plus button, you're going to want to search specifically for Webflow. This search function helps streamline the process of finding the correct integrations from all those available on n8n. Type in Webflow, and you'll quickly see the option to work with Webflow-related actions. Now, once you've found Webflow, click on the option to create an item. This is where you'll actually start setting up the interaction between n8n and Webflow, allowing you to automate the creation of items as needed. To move forward with this, you'll need to connect your Webflow account to n8n. Look for the credential option, which will enable you to select the right Webflow account for this integration. Next, you'll spot a prompt to select a credential. However, if this is your first time setting this up, you might not have any credentials saved yet. So you'll need to create a new one. When you opt to create a new credential, you'll be prompted to connect your Webflow account. Click on Connect My Account to go through the authentication process with Webflow. This step ensures that n8n can securely interact with your Webflow data. During this stage, a search bar will appear, allowing you to select which Webflow sites or workspaces you want to authorize. For demonstration purposes, let's say we're choosing what's labeled as Tests Workspace. Selecting a specific workspace streamlines which data n8n will be authorized to access, adding another layer of customization and security. The last vital step is to click on Authorize App, solidifying the connection between your accounts. This final approval is crucial, as it grants n8n the necessary permissions to perform actions on your behalf in Webflow. And that's it. You're all set. With this setup, you're now ready to explore the numerous possibilities that n8n offers for automating tasks and enhancing your productivity with Webflow. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!